Hello, it's Dolly from Rocky Mountain Bee Supply. I was out in the yard with Leonard today, and we were requeening some of our hives with new queens, and we thought it would be a good opportunity with the old queens to go ahead and mark some so we could just kind of keep our practice in. It's not something that I do a whole lot of, so I could probably use the practice. So I have a couple of the older queens here. She's a little Daisy Beezy cage, and I got some like model paint, like the test store model paint stuff. I picked pink today. And I got one of these little sponge tip applicator thingies. You can use the paint pens. Just be kind of careful when you use those. Just never leave them out in the hot sun, and always do like a little test dab on something, because usually like when you press on them, a lot of paint comes out at once. You can actually kill your queen like that. So always, you know, if you're using one of those, kind of do a little couple test dots before you actually dot your queen. So I'm going to take her out. I hope she's not going to be squirrely on me and let me catch her and mark her. But we shall see. So she's, looks like she's a little feisty in there. Let me see if I can get her out of here. She shouldn't fly because she's fully blown out, but never say never. She's trying to come out already. Let's see if I can get her out of here. Hello. Come on out. There she is. Just thinking about it. Come on out. Okay. They're a little hardier than they look. So I just kind of caught her by her thorax or her front legs, and I'm gonna just try to put a little dot. I don't know if you can see. I'm just going to put it right there on the bald spot of her thorax. There we go. I'm going to let it dry. Just a little bit. Blow on her a little bit. I'm sorry. Queens do have a stinger. It's not barbed like a worker bee. But really, they're not going to sting you. I think like there's like really rare, and like people who like mark queens, like queen breeders and stuff, they've actually like been stung and stuff, but I don't know. She's not happy that I'm holding her front legs. Oh, there she goes. I'm gonna put her back in. There, she crawled back in there on her own. Perfect. All right, so I just marked the queen, not too hard. You know, you just don't want to handle her by her abdomen, so if you can kind of handle her by the front legs is like way better. And that's how you mark the queen. This is Dolly from Rocky Mountain Bee Supply. Happy beekeeping.